When you call yourself stupid, worthless, or a failure, your brain doesn't argue. It records it as truth, and then silently starts proving you right. Have you ever caught yourself saying, "I'm such an idiot"? Or maybe, "I always mess everything up. I'm so stupid." You might have said it through clenched teeth in a moment of frustration. But here's what almost no one tells you: these words are far more dangerous than they seem. They are not just harmless thoughts. They are direct instructions you're giving to your own brain. Your brain doesn't understand sarcasm, doesn't get jokes, takes every word you say about yourself literally. When you call yourself stupid, worthless, or a failure, your brain records it as truth. Then it starts searching for evidence to prove you right. And that's when the vicious cycle begins. You feel bad, so you speak negatively. Your brain believes it, so you feel even worse. The heavier the feeling gets, the harsher your words become. Psychologists have proven this again and again. Frequent negative self-talk doesn't just hurt your mood. It raises your risk of anxiety, deepens depression, and can even impact your physical health. Your words don't merely describe your reality. They quietly create it. They shape how you see yourself, how you behave, and ultimately the life you live. But here's the beautiful part: you can break this cycle. Start today with one simple practice. Just notice. For the next 24 hours, gently observe every negative thing you say to yourself. No judgment, just awareness. The moment you catch one, pause. Breathe. Ask yourself two gentle questions. Is this completely true? Would I ever say this to someone I love? Then replace it with kindness and truth. Instead of "I'm a failure," try "I didn't succeed this time and I'm still learning." Instead of "I'm always tired," say "Right now I feel exhausted and I deserve rest." Your words carry real power. Your brain is always listening. Speak to yourself with the same compassion you would offer a dear friend, 'cause you deserve that kindness too. You're not broken. You are rewiring. And every kinder word is a step toward freedom. If this touched you, comment "I'm listening" below. Like this video and subscribe for more life-changing psychology lessons inspired by self-hypnosis and the power of the mind. Your mind believes everything you tell it. Make sure you're telling it the truth with love.